found this.
What are we gonna do with it?
Dude, what the heck? You're gonna get butter on it.
Yes, so? It's like 100 years old.
Exactly. God, I'm gonna trade you in.
Oh, how very nice of you.
Anyways, now that we have this, we can...
Lunch! Menu! Lunch menu!
How did you even get in here?
Arthur? Really? Can you show me?
Juniper! This is serious. How did he get in here?
I have my ribs, and I want my nerve.
Well, you're not gonna get it.
Actually. Yeah, where is my nerve?
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ow. Ow. Ah, God. Stupid person. Juniper! Juniper!
First off, I want to tell you I enjoyed the pizza. Well, it really was a great...
Hello? You've established that.